character. If you're a person who wants to, let's say, improve on your character of patience, let's say, don't complain when you're waiting in a line. You ain't going to grow in patience until you're put in a place to wait. It's like you go into a gym and you know.
Yo, you don't know. So girl, MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are the damn? That lighting though. Boy, show me a slide. Today's a glorious Saturday morning. I'm on my way to you know where, school. Skitty bop bop bop. What tomorrow may bring, nobody don't know, nobody don't know. Me just a go and do me thing, do me thing. Me just a go and do me thing, me I do me thing. Yo guys, if you're on the channel for the first time, you want to go funny?
Yeah.
So I'll go on Skylife. Yes, so I'm gonna say tonight again.
Skylife TV.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
What a damn.
I want the damn. Moment later. Yeah guys, so if you're on the channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. And definitely show the love. Leave a comment below. Say something to me. I'll be sure to respond. And a bag of things. I'm feeling so tired. Outfit of the day. Jeans, blouse. Melica, smile. I don't know, I love laughter. Like I think laughing is one of my favorite things to do. You know that people who laugh a lot live longer? In case you never know. Oh. Yeah. People who laugh a lot. Morning. People who laugh a lot live a bit longer. Research has shown. Yeah, me a girl, I love the research and a bag of things. So that way I have knowledge on a lot of topics. That way you're more round as an individual. So when you step in a particular crowd, you can adjust and you can have a substantial conversation and give great inputs because you know the information. You understand? I just some mistake. Love research and thing. So I really have a test this morning. After the test day, I think I'm gonna go. I'm not sure, I didn't remember to bring my tripod. I wanted to go by the park and do a video for you guys, but maybe I'll come home and do it. Won't be less video and thing. And I want to do some reading too. I have a new book that I'm reading. I need to settle my head. Like I like to read in areas that, you know, ambience, you know, yeah, you're a seashore and, you know, a good setting. At my house, there's always noise. Somebody ever did make noise. I can't focus on that because more like me go part of noise too because I make so nice. I love to make noise. I love to sing. And y'all know I can't sing that well. Auntie. Morning. Yeah. That's a Skylife rule. I love to tell people morning. This ever happened to you? Like people wanna know for years. Like soon in town or anywhere. And they might go like they want to walk past you and go like they don't see you. Them always do it and I can't tell me say that never happened to you. So like I miss people like them there. And they might walk come up to me and I go on like say they don't see me. I just say, hey, what's up? What you doing? They are so shocked all the time I do it. Like hi. And feel away and themselves. You understand? You don't know me call to me what you're going to for. Me go to school for 5 years. You go to high school for 5 years here in Jamaica. And for 5 years you see me. The 6th year after we left school. Yeah, steer me down in a man to be like, where me know her from. No, don't do me that. You know it's high school. Anyways, I'll see you later, guys. Skitty bop bop bop. Boom. So guys, I just done mash up the taste. Just done mash it up. But I forgot my water at home today. Because remember, I bought the 1 gallon bottle. I've been drinking it for 2 days now, and I did very, very well on both days, I must say. But I didn't bring any water today, so I'm going to get 1 small bottle now. I don't know, I can't do without water. I can't drink drinks and feel like my thirst quench. I have to get water. Like, I don't drink drinks generally. For the most part, hold on there. For the most part, I drink water. And if I need to drink, like if I go to Burger King or something, because yes guys, I eat Burger King. I go to Burger King also, I take orange juice, I don't take soda. Every once in a while, I have the need to taste something sweet. So, what is? I could have told me something up on my face. Alright, I'm good to go now. Yeah, every once in a while, I feel the need to drink something sweet. So, me drink one. Not too nice soda because it stays the acid is so, I'm so sensitive to the acid now, seeing that I've not been drinking it. I'm gonna try if it drinks something like a bag juice or something when me need to drink something sweet and stuff. When mommy makes sauce up juice, me drink that too as well and so, but I'm gonna get a water now. We're just leaving school. It's approximately 6 o'clock. I've been here from, no, not 9. I came to school late this morning. Ocean has been here from 9.
All morning.
So,
What did they ever know fast?
so they never so like guys.
Do well for charity.
I'll tell you a little bit.
Eh? Number 1. Number 1 I do? I think I exist. Yes.
I never did it, so and number 2 me do.
I did start number 3 and I just stop.
You're in a governance class?
Yeah.
So me never see you yet.
We stay first class. I'm going to see you from.
You never come in a, oh like no.
Yeah.
Sorry, I will not come to school. Something there. Like guys, a little secret about me coming to school. I sleep from here come to school like I just sleep like half an hour, 30 minutes in one of my class then. But today, like I went right through. But what happens is, you know that Saturday is a day that we normally sleep late. Saturday is a day that we normally sleep late. So I guess it took a little time for our body to adjust to the like waking up early on a Saturday, then coming to school and staying from 9 till 6. So I assume that was the issue why we weren't keeping up in class. Guys, I almost broke my foot, y'all. This lighting down.
Dead.
Now I'm almost home. It's like 8 o'clock. Still haven't reached home. I don't link up with the girl. Can I bag of things that we're going to Skylife?
You know we go.
You don't know.
Oh guys, me cream my ear. Honestly.
Yeah, you cream my ear. Turn around. Show them a lens.
Turn
They
around.
can't put. Very lengthy.
They can't put in what can't drop in one picture. Vehicle.
Guys, I'll talk to you later. Give this video a thumbs up.
Melica.
Hit that subscription button.
39 seconds.
I've been vlogging from morning.
Oh.
And I don't want to bring it over into another day. Yeah, so guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button and definitely show the love. You don't know it's your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo! I want the damn.
Excitement.